It's Mars time to repop. This is what somebody here on Stock Tweets is asserting, and indeed it is on the move up 15 points, roughly 15.04%. As we count down to the end of today's session, that is today, the 20th of May 2024. So it's approaching. It's a 1 minute chart. It's approaching the lower line of its price channel, and there's a good chance we're going to see a rebound. And this is what some scalpers will be watching. So let's see now. We expect that there's going to be a rebound now. So we're looking at a gain of 14.76%, 14.81%. So we should see a rebound from these lows we're looking at right now. We should see a rebound. We should see. Let's just watch and see what's going to happen, or we could come back to it and see what's going to happen. So this is its daily chart. The stock has been cycling for now, just cycling and pretty much consolidating, but since the 17th of February or thereabouts, since the 18th of February, the stock has been advancing. So in a very short time, it is quite bullish. Quite in the medium term, in the short to medium term, the stock has been in a strong bullish trend. In the medium term, trend is a bullish one for the stock. So we have now seen it break through this upper projection of $20.87. This happened yesterday. So, but we don't have anything in between here and the next upper projection of 33.31, and it hasn't really reached those highs. It hasn't closed at such highs since all the way back in 2022. But we've seen this the peaks we saw when Bitcoin rallied, and indeed most of these Bitcoin adjacent stocks, we saw them. And Bitcoin Mara has actually it did at some point try to test that high. It did try to test that high, but what are the odds that this is going to be another retest? The angle of attack is not a very steep one. So let's come back and see what we have. Okay, 14.6. It hasn't rebounded yet, but we're gonna come back and still find out. There's a good chance it might rebound. We're counting down to the close of today's session. Yes, it's actually rebounding slightly. Where we want to see it go beyond 14.78, then we can confirm that it has actually rebounded. Okay, yeah. So while we're waiting for that to happen, yeah, what are the odds that it's going to maybe test those highs at least 22.6, 26.99? Indeed, that is it is a resistance, I want to believe, but not as significant as 30, not as significant as 31.33. Okay, so but there are also downward projections. We have 16.34 thereabout. We also have down here 13.97. So but I'm sure what you want to see is an upper projection. So let's see whether we have anything in between. Yeah, we have here next target is 22.60. Okay, so this is pretty much like what we have on a daily chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart and see whether we can find anything there. Okay, it's trading above all of its upper projections on that 1 hour chart. I'm not sure we're going to see anything here as well. Nothing as well. We don't have anything there. Let's quickly have a look and see. Okay, 14 point. Okay, hasn't that theory hasn't worked. It's not yeah, well, okay, I can see it has actually done that, maybe, yeah, 14.7, but we want to see a significant spike from this visually. You can see what we want to see, but at least it's no longer below that. We saw it trade through that the lower line of this price channel, so it's rebounded now. You can see that 14.91, so it wasn't a very 15.01%. so yeah, a rebound is coming. So it always works. It always works. And whenever the price gets towards its the lower line of its price channel, or in some cases market greed, then you would likely see a rebound. So that's what we're looking at right now. So it has gained roughly close to 1%, but it is something for some scalpers. 1% is something. it's what they are. They can really literally be out there for only a gain of 1%. So in any case, we're trying to find a projection 10 minutes. We want to find a projection between $22 and $31. So we have 22.78. Yes, that's one. That's still pretty much the same thing. Let's look at a 15-minute chart and see we have for 15-minute chart. The stock is trading above all of those projections, and it hasn't recalculated. Let's just get down to the 1-minute chart and see whether we can find any projections. We have some. We have one here. We have let's get it, 22.55. we have 22.61. we have 22.65. next is 22.69, 22.74, 22.82. a lot of them, it's a 1-minute chart, so it shouldn't surprise you to we have $23.04. yeah, so there isn't a lot. So it's maybe possibly because Mara stock is just advancing, cautiously, inch by inch, advancing cautiously, correcting and advancing, correcting and advancing. Maybe that's why we're not seeing blowout super ambitious upper projections. So a couple of projections all the way towards $23 we have in between, but they're not here on this daily chart. So let's come back again and see what's going on. 15.12 is the gain. Yeah, 15.12. so it has rebounded and it's trying to retrace again. So the market has just closed now. Market has closed. That there might be some news here for Mara stock. Let's see whether there's any news. Hey, top cryptocurrencies rise. Bitcoin nears $70,000. Let's see. Most major digital assets continue to advance, with Bitcoin nearing the $70,000 threshold. The CoinDex market index, which tracks 193 digital assets, was up by 5.4% in the past 24 hours, while the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 were up 0.8% and 0.1% respectively. The Dow Jones Industrial Average declined 0.5%. Bitcoin USD, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, jumped 5.7% in the last 24 hours to 69,901 according to coin market cap data. Okay, so Ethereum, the second largest digital asset, was trading at 12% higher at 3,418. Yeah, okay, so it's probably in sympathy to a advance towards 70,000 by Bitcoin. So yeah, upper projections all the way towards $23, and then towards 32.91. so Mara stock ripping up the charts. So this is obviously on stock tweets. Let's continue to see what people are tweeting here. Let's see. Bitcoin reached 70,000 as expected by this, but this POS could not get above $23 by close. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, finished up 15% on the day. Okay. There's a reason they put prices have been stable for hours. I'm just short for now, but the dive will be glorious. Okay, I expect significant volatility. Personally, I'm looking to shave my position a little bit at $27 and more at 32.5. Okay, he's really ambitious. He's really bullish. Yeah, you can see that. That's my plan. This is too early to consider taking profits unless you're actively day trading, in which case 15% days are not a bad place to penny flip by any means. All I know for sure is BTC is going to magnet to 72,500 in the coming days, and as long as we have the trend, will pressure shots into a likely eventual 30% move. Okay, not following. Okay, let's see. Buy more on the dips, awaiting gap in the morning, in my opinion. Feeling good the rest of the week. Okay. We're just sitting up. This is a massive swing trade, not a day trade. We're swinging to the moon. Penny flippers will get okay. No one is selling. Market is about to be squeezed hard. Shorts trying to cover last minute. They've realized. Okay, let's see what's going on here now. Okay, it's cooling off from the highs of from the beginning of around 15%. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Have a look and see what you make of my stock. I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.